Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video on the channel where we will talk about another Solana NFT gem that I think will do really well. Now let me first off disclose that this video is a promotion and it has been paid for, but you should know that I'm super careful with picking which projects to promote, and I only do it with projects I really believe in. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of these videos, make sure to smash that like and subscribe down below for more content like this, and tell me down in the comment section which NFTs you want me to cover on this channel. And the project I'm going to talk about today was actually also featured in my top 5 mints of the week video, which I uploaded 2 days ago, and it's called Sollemurs. So Sollemurs currently has 3.6k followers on Twitter. Now this video is going live in 2 days when I'm recording this video, so I'll probably just put up some updated numbers on the screen right now so you can see how much they've grown over the last 2 days basically. But as of recording, they have 3.6k followers. The newest NFT rascals to take over the Solana blockchain. Only 10k in existence. Collect your favorite, protect your rarest. And this right here is their website. So basically this is what their design looks like. I think it looks super cool. I'm not seeing a design like this on the Solana blockchain yet. So Sollemurs are an indigenous species of hyper-intelligent primate native to the island of Solaskar. An age-old decree has limited their population to a mere 10,000 to conserve the island's rich resources, and every new emperor is tasked with maintaining this order at all costs. And the mint for this project is October 9th, so there's still a couple of days until this project actually launches, so hopefully they will grow a lot before the actual launch as well, because usually projects tend to gain most followers like just a couple of days before their launch. And here is the roadmap. So level 1, qualified whitelisters, early adopters and loyal Solaskar citizens will be able to mint their NFTs ahead of the pack, securing their prized possession. Partnerships with celebrities and other well-known personalities, introducing them to Sollemurs brand and making them true citizens of Solaskar. And then level 2 is basically the public mint, where the rest of these NFTs will be able for the public to mint basically. And then level 3 is basically Sollemurs launching their own token, and just by holding Sollemurs you will actually earn passive income by getting this token. And then level 4 is basically something about mutated DNAs, so my guess is that this will be some kind of Bored Ape Yacht Club type, where you basically airdropped a mutant version of your NFT. That would be really cool if that's what this actually is. And the team of Sollemurs has told me that all the royalties from the secondary sales will be used to buy back the NFTs and sweep the floor. And the main price for this project will be 2 Solanas, which is a bit on the higher side for a 10k profile picture NFT. But as long as this project keeps growing and maybe gets to like 8 or 9,000 followers and Discord members before their launch, I think this could be a project that will do really well. And their Discord server right now has 6,500 members, which is a solid amount. Hopefully this grows to like 10k or something before their launch. As I said, this video is recorded 2 days before it's uploaded, so I will leave some updated numbers on the screen right now so you can see how much they've grown over the last 2 days. And right here on their website you can obviously see their team. Now let's look at some frequently asked questions. Sollemurs are 10,000 algorithmically generated unique lemur characters originating from the island of Solaskar and now on the Solana blockchain. Ownership is demonstrable and all commercial rights belong to the holder. And the minting of this project will happen on their website, as you can see right here. So overall, I think this project is really interesting, and as long as they keep growing at the rate they're currently doing, I think I will try to mint this project. I just really like their designs and I think this could be big, and obviously they're doing a lot of interesting things with launching their own cryptocurrency, basically airdropping this back to holders of this NFT, as well as using secondary market royalties to sweep the floor, and by doing that also making the floor price higher of course. So that's basically Sollemurs. If you like this project and enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like and subscribe down below for more content like this. Also check out my top 5 Solana NFT mints of the week. I basically covered Sollemurs and 4 other projects that will be minting this week, so you can get some more projects to mint this week. I'm also doing those types of videos every single Sunday, so make sure to stay tuned for that to stay up to date with the best and most hype mints every single week on Solana. I'm currently also working on my own NFT project actually that I will talk more about in the future. Right now I'm not going to tease anything. I just want you to know that I'm super hyped for this. This will basically be a community driven project. The community will decide mint price. They will decide where this project goes. They will basically decide everything, so I'm really hyped for that, and more information on that will come in the future. Now with all of that said, I hope you have a good day and I will see you guys later. Peace.